moving from self-managing properties to property management, then why construction company?
We were having to do rehab on all of our own properties anyway, and so I was already having a handful of guys that were working for me. As I started looking at the industry and growing in the property management industry and seeing what was needed, a lot of investors like myself want to buy an asset that has a value add to it. And the value add is going to come through some forced appreciation, which is either going to be increasing the financial performance or doing rehab to get the units or property into better shape, which then increases the financial performance, right? So you're going for operational efficiency or value add through construction.
Right.
People are like, well, who's going to do this work? Do you have a contractor? And I'm like, I've run construction projects before. I could do this. So
Right.
that's where it started. I was running the projects very self-admittedly very poorly. Maybe that's why I got let go from being a project manager, right? Colin, you're not a good project manager. We're gonna have to terminate you. And I was kind of seeing the same pattern happening. And I was like, man, maybe I suck at project management. I reached out to my buddy Adam. He's got an entrepreneurial mindset as well. And I was like, Adam, here's the deal. I have a property management company. I want to do construction. We have a large funnel that is allowing us to grow our doors under management as well as doors that need a rehab. Come partner with me. You're a great project manager. You know construction inside and out. Come with me. Let's partner up and let's grow this together. And I was taking an inventory myself to know I know that I have weaknesses, and I know that operations in that context was one of my weaknesses, but it was one of his strengths. So I brought him in to complement me with the value proposition for the whole thing being, listen, out of state investor, I know what your goals are because I'm an investor myself. I know what your pain points are because I've had those pain points. We are a single point of contact for property management, maintenance, and rehab, all under one roof, and we'll help get it done for you.